Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to import DHgate products to Shopify store. First, you need to go to the DHgate website. After entering it, you need to select the product you are going to import. For example, we are going for the drinkware for now. After clicking on the product, you first copy its title. After copying its title, go to the Shopify store. On the home page, you will see an option of Add Product. Click on Add Product. Paste the title you have copied from the DHgate. After that, also do the same with the description. After that, download the pictures of this to your computer, and after that go to the My Store and upload the photos here. After that, select the categories which will show to the customer. After that, you have to set the pricing and the compare price range, the cost per item, the profit and the margin. After that, you have to enter this details which you will get at the DHgate website. After entering those details, click on save and you can sell the product online on your Shopify store. I hope this video was useful to you. So please like and share this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.